This episode explores the pocket-sized parrotlet, a tiny tropical bird known for vibrant plumage and a bold, inquisitive nature. Keepers note that parrotlets thrive in spacious cages, daily flight time, and social interaction to prevent boredom and feather plucking. Owners share that their chatter ranges from chirps to playful mimicry, with training rewarding gentle handling and enrichment games. Diet centers on high-quality pellets, fresh greens, and occasional fruit treats, with fresh water and clean perches for health. From a sunny balcony to a dedicated aviary corner, these tiny companions prove big personalities can fit in small spaces.